Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see one more product unboxing, and that one is a DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creative Combo I am purchasing. I purchased this product here in Power Electronics Store. Product price is 5,290 Danish krona, as Indian currency 65 to 75,000 INR. We will see detailed demonstration how exactly look like. So close to the camera here. Inside the box I am receiving, this is the accessories. Now we just simply open. The big box, the QR code, and box is empty. This is the magic booklet, how exactly look like our final product from here to here. Inside the box, Osmo cover, it's really nice. Amazing quality, wide lens as well. Now just open this one. Oh, this is everything. This is our product. This is the cover. Just simply remove and boom, select the language, skip, very fast way the recording is start. If I press here, no SD card is inside, and let's see how exactly we are receiving the small battery. Here is the DJ mic, and this one is a small tripod. You can consider like this. So we can, here is not available to fix, but we should try one by one. This is the specially for the mic. Here the C to C port we are receiving. After that we are receiving one magnet for DJI, and that's it. So here is the battery, extra battery, and you can very easily fix like this. And after that you should use this tripod as well. This is your product. How to fix memory card? It's very easy. Here is the body. I just simply fix here. So you can very easily open. 53% battery, and look at this here. SD card is slow, shooting maybe stop, and select and done. Inside the box we are receiving so much product. This one is a small one, so you should connect this one like here, press here, and then after remove. This is very secure here. This one is especially for this tripod, like here, like this. After that very easily connect DJI Osmo. C to C charging port is available. You should connect and very easily charge here. So look at this, I connected here and the charging is connecting inside this here. The charging is showing. It's easy peasy to charge. Without this one you can't charge. You just simply remove as well, and after that the fix as well. It's very easy and compact. After automatically switch off. So this is the simple unboxing of DJI Osmo Pocket 3. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.